Hi, this is Design Guy. Ever wondered how to create eye-catching Amazon product photos using Canva? Click Create, then select Custom Size. Enter 1500 by 1500 pixels, and click Create Redesign to start your project with the specified dimensions for your design. Now, search for products on Amazon by entering keywords in the search bar and browsing the available listings efficiently. Type Amazon products and select a sample product from the list that appears, similar to the one shown here on the screen. Copy the image, then click here and paste it into this location. Open the Virtual Mover tool, then locate and select the blur element from the options. This allows you to apply or adjust blur effects precisely within your project. Use the controls to customize the blur intensity and placement as needed for your design. Click the Graphics tab, then select the blur element to apply a smooth blur effect to your image. Set the left position and layer, placing it behind. Next, select the object and move it slightly to the right to adjust its placement. This ensures proper layering and alignment within your design. Next, add spikes to the graph. To do this, select the spikes option from the menu. Adjust the settings to enhance the appearance as needed. This will highlight key points effectively, improving data visualization. Review the changes and confirm to apply the spikes to your chart. The provided transcription lacks instructional content or actions to create a tutorial script. Please provide a transcription with detailed steps or information needed for the tutorial script. Begin by selecting the item you want to modify. Then, access the Settings menu and choose the appropriate option to proceed. Follow the prompts to complete your action efficiently and accurately. Click the Share button to open sharing options. Next, select Download to save your file. Before downloading, set the size to maximum to ensure the highest quality output. Adjusting the size improves the image or video resolution for better results. Once the size is set, confirm your settings and proceed with the download. This simple step helps you get the best possible quality from your exported file. Now you know how to use Canva for Amazon product photos. Like and subscribe for more easy design tips.